Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about all the types of errors which you might get while creating the React project. Okay. So first you have to open the command prompt. How to open? Just go to the Windows, search for command prompt. Okay. Now here I'll just write Node-v. Enter. If it is showing the version to you, means Node is working successfully. But now in your case, if it is showing you Node is not recognized as an internal or external command, or if it is showing you some issue related with set execution policy, then you have to follow these steps. First, what you have to do, just in command prompt only, execute one command where Node. After download and installation of Node, I'm talking about. Okay. So this will show you where the Node.js got installed in your system. So just copy this path. Then you have to open environment variables. So it has been opened over here. So I'll just minimize this. Okay. So I'll click on edit environment variable. So this is user variables, system variables. We'll go to the users variable in that path. We'll click on new, and whatever you have copied the path, just paste it over here. Okay. So now I will hit OK. In the similar way, in system variables, open path. Here click on new and paste the path here. Okay. So okay. In the similar way, we have to set the path for npm as well. So I will hit OK. Done. So again, we'll go to the command prompt. We'll execute the command where npm is present. So it will give you the path for npm. So just copy this first path. Again, go to your environment variables. Click on environment variables. Go to the path. Take a new path and paste the path of npm. In the similar way, go to the system variable. Take a path. Click on new and paste the path of npm. Okay. 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 So after that, close the command prompt end to end. And again, reopen the command prompt. So we will reopen the command prompt. Now I will check node-v and then npm-v. Okay. In my case, it is showing. In your case, let's say still you are getting an issue. Then second solution. In second step, you have to open something called as Windows PowerShell. Okay. Right click on this and run it as an administrator. So I will open this, will run it as an administrator. So we have to change the execution policies over here. First, we will check whether it is restricted or not. So get execution policy. In PowerShell, I am executing this command, not a command prompt. Okay. We'll execute see it is restricted. So you make it as an unrestricted. Okay. So to make it as an unrestricted, one simple command you have to write. Just write set execution policy unrestricted, and then scope is current user. I'll hit enter. Now we will go with Y. Multiple options it is showing to you. Default is N if you won't enter anything. So I have entered Y over here. I will hit enter. Okay, done. So now again we will execute the same command, get execution policy. And if I hit enter, now you can check it is unrestricted. So once you get unrestricted here, then close this PowerShell. Okay, close the command prompt also. We have to reopen it. Whenever we do such changes, we have to reopen everything. Then we'll reopen the command prompt. Again, you just write node-v and npm-v. You will get both the versions properly. So like this, you can fix your errors, guys. Thank you.